Good morning, children. So I'm maths teacher. So today I'm going to discuss new chapter, that is statistics. So this statistics regarding you already learned in 9th standard. So that is that is a classification of given data. The data can be how to classify the data. That can be the data can be grouped in ungrouped data and grouped data. Grouped data and ungrouped frequency distribution, that we have already studied in 9th standard. So again this data can be again represented pictorially in the form of various types of graphs, that is bar graph, histograms, and that again histograms including those of varying width. 9th standard I am saying, in 9th standard. And also frequency polygon also we have studied in 9th standard. So again here this group data or ungrouped data, this is called again measure the central tendency. The central tendency again this of this group data or ungrouped data, this can be measured by mean method, mean and median and mode. So mean, median and mode. So now here mean means actually what here? So the mean means arithmetic means or average. So average of the data. How do you find out average of the data? So here three methods are there to find the mean. So mean can be found in three methods. So mean means this is represented by x bar. This can be finding two methods to find mean. To find mean by this is direct method and assumed mean method, or shortcut method also you can say that, shortcut method. Again last method is step deviation method. Deviation method. But this year, so these two methods are not there. Assumed mean method not there. Again step deviation method not there. Only we have to calculate by the method of direct method. Okay. So let us see how to calculate this mean by using the direct method. So very simple is there compared to all other problems. So let us see to find the mean by one by using the direct method here. See here, page number 85. So exercise 13.1. The question is like this: a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness programs, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Find the mean. So that you should find out the mean here. The question is like this. So see here, what is given here? Number of plants. So you can make a tabular column here. So easy to calculate mean. Here the number of plants. Here number of houses. So in each houses are here number of plants, how many are there here? 0 to 2 plants. 0 to 2 plants. How many houses has 0 to 2 plants? One house. Again 2 to 4 plants. How many houses are there? Again 2. Again 4 to 6 plants. That is one house. 6 to 8. That is 5 house. Again 8 to 10. How many houses? 6 houses. Again continue here. Again 10 to 12. How many houses? 2. Again 12 to 14. How many houses? 3. So 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, again 6 to 8, again 8 to 10, 10 to 12, so 12 to 14. These are number of houses. So now your question is like this: which method did you use for finding the mean and why? So only one method is there to calculate mean here, that is direct method only. So because we are 20% excluded, the government says that there is no two methods to calculate the step mean. See here, so this is the tabular column he has given. So we can take, this is column 1, this is column 2. So now 2 more columns we can construct it. 2 more columns. So 2 more columns. How to calculate that 2 more columns? That is nothing but to find what we are finding? To find mean. I am writing to find mean. To find mean. That is first. That is what's this is? This is called a class mark. Class mark. Nothing but that is xi. Number of houses. This can be represented by fi. So number of houses. Nothing but frequency. Frequency means again how many houses that has a plants. So repeated. So it is represented by fi. This is class mark represented by xi. So how to find out this class mark? By taking this one, class interval number of plants. See here, see number of plants 0 and 2 is there. So add these two and take by divided by 2, we are going to get class mark. So nothing but the average of these two number, lower limit number. So this is upper limit number. So what is 0 plus 2? 0 plus 2 is 2. Again 2 divided by that 2, we are going to get 1 here. How? 0 plus 2 divided by is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to, this 2 is always constant, that is divided by 2. 2 1 ja 1. So 1 you can write. Or 2 plus 4. How much? So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, so 3. Or nothing but middle of this here, this is also even number, consecutive even number. So in between which number will come, that also we can see that this is 2 and 4, middle is 3 will get. Here 4 and 5, middle 5, 4 and 6, middle 5, 6 and 8, so middle is 7. So 8 and 10, middle is 9. Again average of these two, 10 and 12, that is 11. So 12 and 14, that is 13. So this is called class mark here, class mark. So next this is third column. I did third column. Next one more is their fourth column, that is so fi, frequency into class mark, that is nothing but class mark xi, fi into xi. So multiply this, 1 1 ja 1, 2 3 ja 6, 1 5 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 9 6 ja 63, 11 2 ja 22, 13 3 ja 39. So after got all the values of this is fi into xi, so you should here, so before that one, what he has given number of houses, this is represented by n or sigma fi also. What is this is a Greek letter sigma, so it indicates that summation means the fi values all you should add it here, add it. How much you getting here? 1 plus 2 3, again plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 3 20, that is 20, n value is 20 or sigma fi is 20. Similarly, so this fi and xi, you can take summation or sigma fi xi is equal to, the sigma indicates, so fi xi value all you should add it here. So add here, so 1 plus 6 7 plus 12 12 plus 5, 17, plus 3, 20, 22, 22, 31. 31. So here 3 plus 3, 6, plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. 17. See here, once again you check it here. So while adding now, so you should be very clearly you should add here. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20, 22 and 31. Yes, correct here. 6, here 2, 8, 14, 17. So next, so mean formula, nothing but arithmetic mean, or simply we can say that mean represented by x bar. Mean is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. This is a direct method formula. Direct method formula. How much you are getting here? 171 by 20. So 171 by 20. So you are cancel it, going to get answer, that is. So this is a very simple here. To find the mean, only one method is there. Here method is important here. Here how to do the method, that is important. Next step, so only simplification is there, so only multiplication here, and this is the class mark. So by taking the average of these two numbers, you are getting the class mark here. Okay, so this is called the fi into xi, fi value, x value, multiply and see that. So this is while adding, given the frequency that is represented by n or sigma fi, that is equal to 20. So this is the mean formula, add it, cancel it. So this is the first problem. So next problem. So next again, I think mean calculate no. In that any different method is there different. Okay, one more problem is there, little different here. That is also to calculate mean here. Find the missing frequency f. Find the missing frequency f he has given, that I am calculating now. See here. This is first problem. Exercise 13.1, first problem. This is second problem, not second, third problem. Third problem. See the third problem, page number 85, third problem. The question is like this: the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowances of children of a locality. Full stop. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. So this is little different is there compared to first problem. Same again. First what method? What the first step is what? So first that is column frequency distribution table. So table you should draw it. So in that what given here? Daily pocket allowances. In rupees, okay, that is in rupees. Okay, next column is number of children. Number of children. So number of children is nothing but that is what? fi. That is what? So you can write here fi that is. So next what is given, that is we can write here. So given data, it is a group data 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, so 19 to 21, so 21 to 23, 23 to 25, 23 to 25. So this is a daily pocket allowances. Daily pocket in allowances in rupees, 11 rupees to 13 rupees. Again, number of children, how many of them have 11 rupees to 13 rupees? 7 children have. Again, 13 rupees to 15 rupees, how many children they have? 6 children. Similarly, again, 15 to 17 rupees, 9 children. 17 to 19 rupees, 30 children. So 19 to 21, frequency don't know, that is, that only I am finding. So 21 to 23, that is 5 children. Again 23 to 25, 4 children. This is the given, sir. The missing frequency, yes, here, this is the frequency that you should find out here. So how? Same step here. Same step here, but he has given what? The mean pocket allowances. Mean given. Mean himself given. Mean is equal to mean how much here? 18 he has given mean. So again mean means what here? That is a sigma fi xi himself given. Understood? The key point. The sigma fi xi, that is nothing but mean given, that is 18. Then what is the frequency value? So now see here. Next what here? See here. Class mark, that is next column is third column. This is first column, second column, third column. That is class mark. Class mark represented by xi. Okay. Next column is that is fi frequency into class mark. Frequency into class mark. Class mark, how do you find out? So previous problem I explained that. So average of these two means adding these two divided by 2, that is nothing but class mark. So 11 and 12, 24 divided by 2, that is 12. Again 13 and 15, add it divided by 2, 14. Again these two, 16. Again 18. This is 20. Here 22. Here 24. This is the class mark here. Next fi xi. This is the fi value. This is the xi value. So multiply these two because into is there here. Into multiply product fi value and xi value. So you can multiply here. How much getting here? 12 7 ja 84. 84. And next 84. 144. Again this is a 20 f. Again 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 plus 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. So here 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9 here. So this is how much here? This you can multiply here. No. So 18 into 13. So 234, I think. So once again you check here. So here next see here. So next step what? So to find the n value. How do you find this n value or sigma fi value? By adding the fi value. So adding fi values are, so n is equal to sigma fi is equal to, add it here. So 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 9, 13 plus 9 22, 22 again plus 13, 22 13, 22 plus 13 35, 35 plus 5 40, so 44. That is f plus 44. F plus 44. So f plus 44. So now next this sigma fi xi add it here. Sigma fi add here. So how much you are getting here? So this is a 20f plus next sir here all we add it here. How much we are getting? So 144, 234, 110, 196, so 184. So now 10 14 18 22, 10 18, so 18 here, 18 27 28 to 31 35. So 2 1 plus 2 3 4 7, I think 752. Once again you check here. I am saying only method here. Okay, once again you check here. Next again formula. What is formula? That is n is equal to sigma fi is equal to or x bar, sorry, mean is equal to nothing but mean is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So here mean is here, the mean is given there in the question only. What is mean value? So 18 is equal to, what is sigma fi xi value? Sigma fi xi value is 20f plus 752 divided by, what is sigma fi? Sigma fi value is f plus 44. So next what here? So next you can do it cross multiplication here. So cross multiplication, that is 20f plus 752 is equal to, so 18 into cross multiplication, 18 into f plus 44. So next, so 20f plus 752 is equal to 18 into f, so 18f plus, so again 44 into 18 you multiply, 44 into 18, 72, 72 plus 7, 79, so 792. Here once again you check that one. So here these two are like terms, f is then like terms, we can simplify like terms. 20f, this 18f bring this side, minus plus become minus is equal to 792, so this plus bring this side, so you are going to get minus sign, 752, so 20f minus 18f, 2f is equal to, so here subtract here 0, so 9 minus 40, so here we are going to get 40 here, so f is equal to 40 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 20 ja, so f is equal to 20. So therefore the missing frequency is 20 here. What is missing frequency? This value is 20. Suppose when he has given, not given any one frequency, so this is the method here. So what is main key point here? So this f as it is, right, remaining all you add it and write here. Similarly here also same here. So add this f term, write it as it is, remaining all you add and write here. So again this mean already given in the mean here, this mean you can write. So this is sigma fi value you can substitute here, this sigma fi value, this value you can substitute here, and cross multiplication and simplify, you finally are going to get the missing frequency f. So next see here, so mean, how to calculate mean, last this problem I have explained here how to calculate mean, and also if not frequency, one frequency missing, how to calculate I explain. Now mode of group data. So mode now. So what is the mode here first? So 9th standard we have already learned that 9th standard, that is mode is the value among the observation, so which occurs most often. So occurs that is occurs most often, or having maximum frequency, so having maximum, the value which has the value having the maximum frequency, that is nothing but mode. Or more occurs, the value which occurs most often, again repeat, highest time occurs, that is nothing but also mode here. This mode how to calculate it, that we shall see now. See here. Okay, so now mode of group data. So how to calculate mode? Let us take here. So mode, how to calculate mode, very easy. This is also, these are definite problems here, mean or median, mode. Out of these three, one definite question will be there. So this is a mode problem, how to calculate mode here. I am showing here the question number. So I already mean here in 13.2 exercise, again here the question is like this. Table given here, patients admitted in hospital. So age is given, and also second column number of patients also given. Here question asking find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So mode, how to calculate? Let us see now here mode. So mean already we know that how to calculate it. So mode, so let us see now. So mode table he has given, that is exercise 3.2 here, 3.2 exercise. So this is the first column. Age in years, YRS, years. Okay. Second column, number of patient, that is nothing but FI. Number of patient, nothing but FI. So what is given here is 5 to 15 years age. So 5 to 15 years age, how many patients are there? So question like this, for the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. The ages like this. In a particular year, the patient has been admitted in the hospital. The age 5 to 15 years between, how many admitted? 6 patients are admitted. Next 15 to 25, that is 11 patient admitted. Again 25 to 35, 21 patient admitted. Again similarly 35 to 45, so 23 patient. Again continue here. Again 45 to 55, 45 to 55, here 14, so 55 to 65, here 5 patient admitted. So this is the given here. So this is this is called a 9th standard. We already learned here. This is a exclusive form. Exclusive means what? So this upper limit again repeated here, upper limit. So therefore this is up to the class size counted up to 5 to 14 only, because this 15 will count in the second class interval. So that therefore it is called a exclusive or overlapping class interval, we can call it as this is. Okay, now this is here. So while calculate mode, so mode is equal to question mark. So mode is very simple. So what he has given the 2 columns, in 2 columns only we can calculate it mode here. So which is the number of patient highest frequency in FI? See here, so 23 highest is there, no? That is you can take F1. That is you can take F1 here. So before this corresponding F1, this is called what this is? This is called model class interval. Model class interval. So before this F1, the frequency, that is called F0. That is called, you can take F0. So after this highest frequency F1, so that is you can take F2. So the frequency corresponding to the class interval. So here, so lower class limit, upper class limit is there. This you can take L. This is first number is the lower limit frequency, lower limit number. This is the upper limit number. This L is the low. L means lower limit number. This you can take. Okay. Next, see sir, what is the given here? All you can write here. First to F1 sir. F1 is equal to highest frequency among this, that is 23, comma this F0. This is before the highest frequency. That is nothing but preceding the highest frequency of model class. That is nothing but 21, comma, and next F2. So after the highest frequency, that is F1 after F2, continuous F1 after F2, that is 14 you can take. Next lower limit corresponding to the F1, that is L is equal to 35. L is equal to 35. And again, what is here h is there, I want to calculate class size or width of the class. How to calculate this is, so this is depend upon, so whether it is a class interval is overlapping or inclusive or exclusive. Inclusive or exclusive, it is it shows that it is exclusive, already it is repeated here, again repeated here, all are repeated here. So upper limit number again repeated here, so therefore up to 5 to 14 only can take, that is the class size here represented by h here. So 5 first number, always you can take first number, count it, first number always it is count it here, whether it is inclusive or exclusive. Okay, so this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, how much are totally? So 10, class size is 10. So this is the data now, this is the data now. So now see here, first formula you can write here. What is mode formula? That we know already, mode formula. So mode formula we know that, so mode is equal to, so mode is equal to L plus half, L plus half, so f1 minus f0 divided by, so 2 f1 minus f0 minus, so f2, so into h. This is the, so formula of the mode here. What is L here? So L is the, so lower limit, already marked in the table here, see here clearly shows that. So here f1 is nothing but highest frequency among the number of frequency, that is 23. So f0 nothing but before f1, that is nothing but f0, that frequency. So 2 times of f1, again f0, f2 into h means, so higher class size, so width size. So this is important here. So whether it is inclusive or exclusive, you clearly sees that whether it is exclusive, so repeated number exclusive, so leave it this one, don't count, include this number 15 upper limit only. So 5 to 14 you can count it, that gives the h value, that is 10 here. All the values substitute here. So mode is equal to L value what, 35 plus f1 value what, 23 minus f0, that is 21 divided by 2 times f1 value is 23. Next f0, what is f0 value? 21 minus 21 minus f2 value is 14. So bracket close, again into h value is class size or width, that is 10, that is equal to, again, so 35 write it as it is, plus your bracket open here. So 23 minus 21, that is equal to 2 divided by, so 23 2s are 46 minus how much here, minus 21 minus 14, so minus 35, because whenever minus sign is there, add the numbers and write the same sign here. So that is into 10 here. So that is equal to what next? Again 35 plus, so 2 divided by, so 46 minus 35, so that is equal to 11. So 11 divided into 10 here. 11 into 2 divided by 11 into 10 here. So next sir again, so that is equal to 35 plus 10 2s are 20. So 20 divided by 11, that is equal to 35 plus this 35 number, L number always same, write it here. After simplifying this number, then you add fraction this number to this number. So then you final answer you are getting. So what is 20 by 11? So 20 by 11 is 11 1s 11, 11 1s 11. How many remaining here? 9 remaining. Point 90, it become 90. So 11 8 ja 88. 11 8 ja 88. Again 2 becomes, 2 is there. 2 means again that is 20 it becomes. So 11 1s 11. So I think 1.81 something will get it here. So add it this here. So you are getting 35.00 here, 1.81. So 1.863. 36.81. This is called mode here. This is mode here. So this is a mode here. So like this we can calculate it here mode. I think understood here. So this is what I done here. So whenever you are calculating mode here, the given table only we can mark it by mark it, then it become easy to calculate. So highest frequency, first step is highest frequency. So highest frequency, that is represented by F1. So before that highest frequency, that is F0. After that is F1, that is F2. Again this F1 corresponding class interval, we can mark it. In that we can take lower class limit. So lower, this is a lower limit number you can take. First number L, that is L, and the size, that is represented by H, that is depend upon this one whether it is a overlap exclusive or inclusive. If it is exclusive, so repeated number ko exclusive, we can say that exclusive. Repeat agide antandre up to ನೀವು 5 number ಇಂದ 5 ನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. That is major mistake, most of them doing major mistake there only, including 5, 6 up to 14 we can count it. So that the H value class size is 10 we are getting. So this is a substitute the value. Mode is equal to L plus of F1 minus F0 F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. All the values substitute and simplify. So this is your mode calculations. So next is there. So one more method, that is one more central tendency, to measure the central tendency. That is one more is there. So that is that is a median. Median, how to calculate a median here. So I think understood now how to calculate mode. So easy is there. This is easy formula and easy substitutions. Okay. So median of group data. Next, median of group data. Median of group data. Median of group data. Median means middlemost number. What is the middlemost number of group data? That is a median here. Suppose is ungrouped data, how to calculate it, and grouped data and how to calculate medians. Suppose it is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means what? Without class intervals is there. Then there are again two methods are there. If a number of data is an even number, that formula is different. If number of given data is odd number, count it odd number, then you are getting another formula. So now here he has given here in 9th standard already, you by central tendency, by using the median already you learned that if n is odd number, then the median is n value for ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, n, if n means number of values in the first column, number of values in the first column of data. If n is odd, then what is median? So median I am written shortcut MD. So median ND is equal to, so n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2th observation. When sir? When n is odd number. For example, what is when? Suppose the data, there are 7 values are there. 7 values. 7 is odd number, no? Then 7 values are there. Then what is its median? That 7 values, you arrange is first ascending order or descending order, any one order. Then again, middlemost number. Because it is an odd number means definitely we will get middle number. So first 3 numbers and last 3 numbers we leave it. Left that, so middle you are getting now, that is called median. When n is odd number. Suppose n is even number. If n is even, then how to calculate it? So if n is even number, again the first you are arranging in the data in the ascending order or descending order, then again median is equal to one formula. That is which formula that is? That is the average of the n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. The average of the n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. This gives the median. This is the median when n is even number. When n is even number. So now this is for ungrouped data. Very important is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data here. Suppose grouped, this already you learned in 9th standard. I think need not to discuss more about in this one. So now suppose he has given the grouped data, then how to calculate median here? Grouped data, how to calculate median here? Sir, zara pause karo. Again median, sir. This median again 13.3, page number 102, you can see that is. So how to calculate median for grouped data? So grouped data, exercise 13.3, worst problem I am showing here. In that, see the book. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumptions of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Full stop. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So mean, median, mode is there. So already I shown that how to calculate mean and mode also. Now only I am showing median. So how to calculate median for group data? See here, first two. What is the monthly table? Monthly consumptions in units. In units, so number of consumers. So 60, you can draw the line here. So 65, one minute, sorry. 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205, 205. So number of consumers, what are here? Here 4 are there. So monthly consumptions, how many units? For example, current power, sir. Power units, how much consumed for a month here? Some families consumed 65 to 85. So number of consumer, how many are there like that? 4 members are there. So 85 to 105 units per month. So how many are there? Consumers are there. That is, how many are there? 5 are there, 5 families. Again 105 to 125, 13, again 20, again 14, again 8, again 185 units to 205 units. How many are there? 4 are there. 4 are there. So this is your given data here. So next, this is nothing but number of consumers is nothing but what? Fi. Frequency is given. So next here, so in order to calculate here median, so not necessary to take any class mark like in mean like that. Only this we can take cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, what is the cumulative frequency? This first frequency you can write it here. Again next frequency we can add it and write, that is the cumulative frequency. So here the first frequency 4 you can write. So 4 plus 5, so 9, 9 plus 13, 22, 22, again 22 plus 20, that is 42, 42 plus 14, that is 56, 56 plus 8, 64. Again 64 plus 4, 68. So totally he has given here. So electricity of 68 consumer they are there. That is a 68 consumer. This is represented by N or sigma Fi. N or sigma Fi. Next step what? So only in median, while calculating median, no, this is first column, second column, only third column. 3 columns will be there. While calculating mean 4 columns. I got it. Again mode only 2 columns. What he has given the 2 columns, no, in that 2 columns only I calculated mode there. And again median here requires 3 columns require here. So 2 columns already given here, only 1 column. So I drawn and find the values of cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. How? The first frequency as it is you write it. This frequency, this 4 plus 5 add and write. Again 9 plus 13 you add and write. So like that you are going to get here. The last number, this is represented by N or sigma Fi is equal to 68. If you add it, you are going to get definitely 68 will get it. So next you do N by 2. N by 2 means you can take, so N value by 2 you can take. That is a 68 by 2. What is 68 by 2? That is 34. So N by 2 value is 34. Next what, sir? So this 34, where does it falls? Where does it comes here? In the cumulative frequency, third column, cumulative frequency is here. So the 34 comes under, so 0 to 4 will not come, 0 to 9 will not come, again up to 22 will not come, 34. So 42, from 0 to 42 comes here 34 value. So therefore you do one thing here, this 42 we can mark here. This 42 we can mark here. This 42 we can mark here. So 42, this above, this is called CF, cumulative frequency. Above number you should take here, not this number. Above number you can take. This corresponding this number, that is take you F. That is you can take, so F. Again the corresponding here. So lower limit, class model. Here lower limit is there, upper limit is there. We can take L value here. So average of these two. So 125, 125, 125 will get it. Okay, so now see here. So now median is equal to, what is formula to calculate median here? Median is equal to, so median is equal to, so L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So what is H here? So N by 2 value I know that is 34. L value, that is L value, lower limit, that is L value is average of these two. Nothing but that is 125. Again that is CF value is cumulative frequency, that is 22. Only frequency, that is F is equal to 20. Okay, what is H here? So H is equal to class size or class width is, I already told you, if it is a overlapping or it is a exclusive, so 85 you can left that one. So before one number minus you can do it and take here. 65 to 85 means how many are there? That is 20. 65 to 70, 84 only count here. So 65 first number also you can count, up to 65 to 84 you count it. Because 85 counts here in the second class interval. So therefore 84 up to 84 you can count it. So then you are going to get class width is, so 20. So 65 to 75, again 84 means again 20 will get it. You can count it. So these are the values are substituted in the given formula. That is L is equal to, what is L value? So 125 plus N by 2 value. Already I simplify N by 2 value, that is equal to 34. Minus CF value what? Cumulative frequency here 22 is there, 22 divided by F value is frequency, corresponding frequency here F 20 into H value is again 20 here. So is equal to, so 125 plus, so here 2, 1, 12 divided by 20, so into 20. So is equal to 125 plus here 20, 20 you can cancel, 21 ja 21 ja. So here 12 as it is. So 125 plus 2, 12. So 137. This is a median. This is. So I think understood now. This is how to calculate a median for grouped data. So what I done first here. So first whenever given the grouped data, then how to calculate a median. So you can make two columns, given two columns here. So third column you should make yourself, that is nothing but cumulative frequency, CF. Simply you can write CF, cumulative frequency. How to get cumulative frequency number? So this first frequency, write it as it is. Again this number again added to this number. So like this you are adding. So finally you get all the number. This number is nothing but what here? This is a summation of Fi or sigma Fi only, or otherwise we can add it. We are getting 68 here. So that number you can take by divided by 2 you can do it. This 34 will get it. So after n by 2 value, so main important is this 34 falls under where, which cumulative frequency number. This 34 comes under up to, you can check here 0 to 4 will not come, 34 again 0 to 9 will not come, 22 up to 22 will not come. This 34 comes under, so 44 under it comes here. So therefore 44 you can mark it here. So before the 42 number, this is called CF. So before this number is F. So this is lower class interval, and class size also you can take. So if it is a exclusive form, so left one number less you can take. So 65 to 84 you can take. So count it, you are getting the H is equal to 20. So finally median formula. So median is equal to L plus of n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, and substitute the value, getting the answers. Okay.